This is Van Alin Arabistano speaking, and I'm gonna discuss about the Region 3, or also known as the Central Luzon. Central Luzon. Region 3 is also known as the Central Luzon region. As the name implies, it is located centrally in the large island of Luzon. It is the largest contiguous flatland area in the Philippines, with a total land area of more than 22,015 square meter or kilometer. The province of Central Luzon are Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Zambales, Pampanga, and lastly, Tarlac.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Castro representing the cities of Central Luzon. Cities in Central Luzon: Balanga, Bataan, Malolos, San Jose and Nueva Ecija, Baliwag, Cabanatuan, San Fernando and Pampanga, Muñoz, Palayan, San Jose del Monte and Bulacan, Angeles, Macuyuan, Olongapo and Zambales, Mabalacat, and Gapan. That is the city of Central Luzon. What is the Central Luzon known for? Central Luzon, often called the Rice Bowl of the Philippines. It's renowned for its extensive rice production and fertile agricultural land. It is home to significant economic zones such as Clark, the Freeport Zone, which drive to regional economic development. The region features diverse attractions, including natural sites like Mount Arayat and Subic Bay, a former U.S. naval base now popular for tourism. Central Luzon also boasts a rice cultural heritage with traditional festivals and unique culinary offerings from provinces like Pampanga. Additionally, the region is recognized for its efforts and disaster preparedness and resilience. Famous events. First, Sinukawan Festival or Aring Sinukawan or King Sinukawan. What is King Sinukawan? King Sinukawan is a god of the ancient Kapampangans. Tandoyong Festival is an annual harvest festival in San Jose City in the province of Nueva Ecija. This is the largest province in Central Luzon, Philippines. The festival takes its name from the variety of shallot grown in the region. Next is Philippine Hot Air Balloon Festival. Annually, it's held in Omni Aviation Complex inside the Clark Freeport Zone. Where to go in Central Luzon? Aurora, de Casa Larin Cove. De Casa Larin Cove is a private white beach in Bel Air. Aurora Piece of Paradise, famous for its white sand, crystal blue beach, and the lighthouse and stunning view. And you cannot find it anything or anywhere else. Bataan, Saint Catherine of Siena Parish Church, the fifth pilgrim church we visited in our Visita Iglesia, was the church of Saint Catherine Siena in the town of Samal. The town's first church was destroyed during the Dutch attack in 1647 and was rebuilt by Dominican Father Hieronimo Belen and again by Father Juan Jubelso in the later half of the 17th century.
Welcome to Bulacan. Welcome to Bulacan. Bulacan City is officially the city of Malolos. It's a historical gem in the capital of Bulacan province. Known as the birthplace of the first Philippine Republic, it houses the iconic Barasuan Church, where the Malolos Congress drafted the country's first democratic constitution. Barasuan Church. It is historically significant as the site of the Malolos Congress in 1898, where the Malolos Constitution was drafted, leading to the creation of the Philippines Republic. The, sur- the church, an example of Spanish colonial architecture was declared a National Historical Landmark due to its role in the Philippines Revolution. Today, it remains a popular site for those interested in the country history. Puning Cave, it is a famous for its hot spring mineral, rich mud, and limestone formations. This site is also known for its pictures scenery and is a popular among adventure and wilderness tourists. People often visit Puning Cave for its healing properties as the mineral-rich waters are believed to have. Nueva Ecija is a province in the central part of the Philippines located in the region of Central Luzon. The name Nueva Ecija has its origin in Spanish colonial times. The province was named Nueva Ecija as a tribute to the Spanish town. Today, Nueva Ecija is known for its agricultural contributions, particularly in rice farming, and is often referred to as the Rice Bowl of the Philippines. These are the tourist spots in Nueva Ecija. The Milanlongao National Park. It is a popular natural landmark located in the province of Nueva Ecija. It is it is a primarily known for the national park. It is a scenic area that attracts both tourists and locals due to its natural beauty, outdoor activities, and cultural significance. And next is the Aloha Falls. Aloha Falls is a stunning waterfall located in the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines. This waterfall is one of the natural attractions in the region, often drawing visitors with its beautiful and nice environment.